Okay, guys, welcome back. So, as we discussed in our breakout rooms, that where we have to invest and where we have to borrow, and we talk about in our earlier example that we have to borrow where the currency is expected to depreciate, right? So, our answer is A. Even though there is a difference between this 0.08% borrowing difference, but you need to borrow from where the currency is expected to depreciate. So after some time, this 90 days, when this actually happens, we have to pay less amount. Okay, now the next question is, if all this information is the same, then what is your dollar profits? Let me read the question one more time. Assume the following information regarding US and European annualized interest rate, which means these interest rates are based on 1 year or yearly basis. So we have US dollar, euro, this is the saving rate or lending rate, and this is the borrowing rate. So transfer bank can borrow either $20 million or 20 million euro. The bank current spot rate of euro is 1.13. Furthermore, transfer bank expects that the spot rate of the euro is to be $1.1. So what is the transfer bank's dollar profit from speculating if the spot rate of the euro is indeed 1.10 in 90 days? So let's solve this question. Let me have the blackboard, the whiteboard here. Okay. So let's talk about so we need to borrow how much? 20 million euro. So what will happen? We will, number one, we will borrow this one, right? But can we invest 20 million euro in US? No, we can invest in dollar, not in euro. So what do we have to do? We will convert this 20 million euro into dollars. So what is the rate? Dollar 1.13. So 1 euro is equal to dollar 1.13. So what is the answer here? 20 million multiplied by 1.13. Answer is 22.6 million.
22 points. Yeah.
Like $22,600,000, right? Guys,
Yes.
understand?
Right, yes.
Okay, now you have dollar, and where you are, this is the timeline from 0 to 90. You are right now here, right? You save it with the bank for 90 days. So when you save it with the bank for 90 days, you will receive some interest income, right? So you have now $22.6 million, and you will invest in US. What is the rate? 6.73%. But this is annualized rate. We are using this money for 90 days.
So must.
What is the answer? Calculate it, guys. I just calculated.
3 by.
Why is it 1 plus?
Because it's going to be added in principal. You are taking back the money after 90 days and converting it into euros, paying back the loan. Right? We are calculating.
That 22.6 times 1 over 0.6, blah, blah, blah. Remember, you asked me. It's the same thing.
Oh, yes.
Now we are basically
means the whole money.
Taking out our principal plus the interest. So that's why there is 1 plus. If we are just calculating the interest, then no need to write down this 1 plus. So this answer accepts this answer would be the interest. Then you add it with 22.6. So I just write it down the answer as 1 plus. It's just mathematical property. In this way, you will find out the total amount, principal plus the interest. So first of all, this is 0.067 multiplied by 9. This is percentage, right? You need to convert it into 0.0673 multiplied by 90 divided by 360 and then plus 1. Your
We
answer
were close.
should be 22,980,245. Right, Sipade?
Yeah.
Right? So this is the amount that you will get after 90 days. Right?
Why do we calculate it after 90 days and not after a year?
Because your question says in 90 days the spot rate going to be changed. So we want to make a profit for 90 days.
Got it.
Otherwise it's going to be a year. We don't need to write down this. We don't need to multiply this if yearly basis, right? Okay, now how much you have to pay back? Now it's the payback time. How much you borrowed? 20 million euros. And how much you pay back? 1 plus, what is the interest rate? 7.28% multiply by 90 over 360. And how much is the euro? Total euro that you need to pay back? 20,364,000. Right? But that's euro. Right? So payback after 90 days, right? What if how much? Because you need to find out the dollar profit. So this much you will pay back to the European bank. But what is the cost of this euro into dollars at that time? The rate would be $1.1 over euro, right? Answer is $22,400,400. So that is your, you can say that savings, that is your cost. The difference is your profit. So what is the difference here?
Let's subtract.
So 22,980,245 minus 22,400, 400. This is in dollars. Both are in dollars. So answer would be in dollars. What is the answer here? It's 579,845. Answer would be A.
Hey, yeah,
Understand? Or should I have to
yes.
do one more time? Everybody understand that? So what is the profit strategy? You invest where currency is apt to be appreciated. So that's why you invest in dollars, because dollar is going to appreciate after 90 days. You borrow where currency is depreciating. So that's why you borrow from European bank because it's going to be depreciated. So your savings minus borrowing is your profit. So they're going to be like the similar questions. On the practice questions, I already uploaded to BB. If you want me, to send into this WeChat group, I will also send it. So I already uploaded to the BB Blackboard. You can download from there, and I think I also gonna send it here as well. So after this class, I will be sending those practice questions here as well. So yes,
Jamal, just like algebraic question. If I take this rate and because it's 90 days, so I have to multiply it by 90 over 360, but I could like just divide the rate per 4. It makes sense?
okay, you are talking about how to solve, for example, right?
Yes. Instead doing this, I just put 4 above 6.73%. Below, I mean, below. Is it okay?
Can you show me? Wait,
Like this.
open your window, your camera as well.
Like this.